Gibson's originated here in Kendal in the late 1800s. It's a fifth generation family-owned business. I'm Curtis Gibson, CEO of Gibson's at the moment, and I'm the fifth generation into the organisation. To this day, there's still two generations active in the business. There's three of my uncles still here in the organisation. Gibson's was founded in the late 1800s on the back of the Australian timber industry. This is a little bit of a hub here. Engineering services evolved over time into other industries, but Gibson specialise in custom bespoke heavy industrial equipment with a heavy focus in that around industrial automation. In recent years, we've been able to diversify with our capabilities and skill sets into other markets, materials handling, robotics, and implementation of new technologies. Within our team, our strength lies around our people and their skill set. We're a proud member of the Kendal community. We employ roughly 40 people out of the regional New South Wales area. We pride ourselves on engaging young kids into our company through apprenticeships, traineeships, anything from general trades through to engineering. Our customer network ranges right across Australia through to New Zealand and some of the Oceania islands, Fiji, Papua New Guinea and the like. Gibson machinery is built fit for purpose. Generally, the Australian industry can be rough and tough, so our gear has to stand the test of time. We pride ourselves on our capabilities and our innovation. We use 3D design software, AutoCAD and Inventor. We also use 3D point cloud systems so we can get accurate on-site measurements to do simulations and proof of concepts with our clients so that we can get pen to paper quick to pretty much create and customise bespoke solutions that they can see from start to finish. Gibson's is here today because of its people and culture. I see the Gibson business being a market leader in advanced automation in the manufacturing environment. I'm very fortunate to be in a position where I've been able to come in as a fifth generation into the family business. It's humbling to be around people with the skill sets and care that they have for the business. It's had a good foundation and I really look forward to seeing what we can do as a business unit going forward.